If the unit is displaying the IE error code, it means the water supply is not adequate. First, make sure the water supply tap is fully open. Next, check if the water supply hose is kinked. If this is the case, straighten or reinstall the inlet hose. If the supply hose filter is clogged, it can decrease the water flow. Turn off the water supply. Remove the end of the hose connected to the washing machine. Check if the water inlet is clogged. If the water inlet is clogged, go ahead and clean it. You may have to check the water pressure. Make sure you have adequate water pressure. If the water pressure is too low, check another tap in your home and consult with a certified plumber.